Toyota has just taken the legendary GR86 to a whole new level. Feast your eyes on the 2026 Toyota GR86, a truly stunning car with a bold new design, sharper aerodynamics, and a killer performance package. Buckle up, because this is going to be one hell of a ride. First, let's talk about the front end. Toyota has gone to great lengths to make the 2026 GR86 look like a true racing weapon. The low stance, aggressive lines, and striking LED headlights give it a menacing look. The honeycomb grille is now wider, allowing for better cooling, while the sculpted hood features two functional vents, hinting at the raw power beneath. Moving to the side, you can really see how Toyota has refined the aerodynamics. The sleek, sculpted body channels airflow smoothly, reducing drag while maximizing downforce. The flared wheel arches house large black multi-spoke alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance rubber, ensuring the GR86 stays planted through every twist and turn. And look at those side vents, functional and stylish. Now, let's talk about the rear, because Toyota has really outdone themselves. The taillights are sleek and aggressive, wrapping around the edges for a futuristic look. But what really catches the eye? The massive rear diffuser and quad exhaust setup. Toyota has clearly taken inspiration from high-performance supercars, giving the GR86 an unmistakable presence. The black accents and integrated spoiler not only look stunning but also improve stability at high speeds. Okay, enough about looks. What's under the hood? The 2026 GR86 is rumored to pack an upgraded 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, producing around 300 horsepower. Yes, Toyota has finally given us the power upgrade we've been waiting for. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a nimble 6-speed manual or a sophisticated automatic transmission with paddle shifters. And thanks to its lightweight construction and improved chassis dynamics, it'll cut through corners like a scalpel. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in the 4-second range. That's some serious performance. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends sportiness with modern technology. The 2026 GR86 features a full digital gauge cluster with real-time performance readouts, a larger infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and upgraded sports seats with Alcantara and leather accents for maximum grip. The steering wheel is thicker, providing better control, and the center console is designed with minimal distraction. Because let's face it, you want to focus on the road ahead. So is this the best GR86 Toyota has ever made? The answer is a resounding yes. With its aggressive new design, more power under the hood, improved aerodynamics, and driver-focused interior, the 2026 Toyota GR86 is shaping up to be the ultimate affordable sports car. It's stylish, fast, and most importantly, it stays true to its lightweight, rear-wheel drive heritage. Toyota has nailed it with this car. But what do you think? Is this the perfect next-gen GR86, or would you change something? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car content.